This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about napkins, specifically these paper luncheon napkins, which make a nice disposable option for any occasion or event you're having, whether it's just lunch with your family or a nice buffet for the holidays, right? So they're beautiful different patterns and designs, right? There's 24 different styles, and they range from things like holiday themes, stuff that will go with events and parties, like these cute little ones that say cheers, to things that are floral and classy, and even festive messages. So we have a few of the different options here: the strawberry watercolor, the reindeer, the Hawaiian vacation, our little good food napkins, and also these cute little cheers ones. They're a 3-ply paper that's recyclable, so they're more eco-friendly, which is always awesome, and they come in 20-count packs. So they're perfect whether you're running a catering outfit and you're looking for things to match your events and kind of complete and tie together those themes for various parties, or if you're just looking for something for home use, whether it's every day to have lunch with your family and friends, or to add that finishing touch to a special occasion, these are a great option.